So we're working on doing some wheel testing, and one of the wheels that I thought might look decent on it are the ZL1 wheels. Like the factory wheels are like, meh. I think that the critics are right when they say that what are you doing? I think that the critics are right when they say that the wheels are like, you know, one of the shortfalls of this car. And even having the machine lip, I kind of like the machine lip, but that's like my personal preference. A lot of people don't. I think that the wheels could use improvement. So we have two different sets that we're going to test out. One of them is going to be a drag style wheel, which I don't know is even going to fit on the Z51. And the other one is going to be my the ZL1 wheels that Mike is grabbing right now. And they actually are the same size rear. Not sure if the offset's going to work or not. And they actually look pretty good in a test photo. But we'll see how that works out. And then the fronts, we'd have to get a different tire to fit it. It might look a little funny, but we'll test both of them out right now. I'm excited. Let's see what it looks like.
They're definitely going to poke out a little more.
Are they?
Let's see if it's just right or not. Yeah, look at the face of the wheel.
Hold on, hold on. Pop this thing out, just in case. What? Put that in.
Oh, if it looks good, you're going to leave it?
Yeah.
Let's see if it fits.
It should.
It's actually pretty hilarious.
Boom. They're the same. You can torque that shit down.
Dude, it might just be just right.
I know.
Hold up, before I order my wheels. God, they need a bath.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna have to wipe those down real quick. They are the same tire as this, or at least the same, you know, tire size. Do they?
Just a hair. Not bad. No.
Dude, that actually, I don't mind that. It'll.
Like the tire, if you look at the tire in the fender.
Like, I'd rather it be just a smidge in, but like, I don't mind that.
I'm interested in the front.
Yeah.
I have a feeling the back would fit.
Yeah. Yeah, let's get the front on and then we'll clean them up. So this will be like the moment of truth, because this is, it's on the like far of acceptable side. So it's like it's almost not acceptable. And yeah. And we'll see if this can go on. Now we're gonna have to order a different tire if it fits.
Maybe. Well, shorter.
Yeah, because it's like an inch and a half shorter or something like that.
It's like 1.4 inches.
Dude, that it's definitely gonna stick out. That's gonna stick out way too much. But put it on anyway. We'll take some pictures and then we'll see if we can, you know, get somebody to make some replicas. Because then they can do it in a 19 and.
Yeah. Just run the stock tire on it.
Yeah.
I push that rear offset in just a hair.
Yeah. Darn. That would have been awesome. And survey says, hell no. Although, if we do a wide body, maybe. Yeah, if we did like a wide body, we could do this. And then we put a spacer on the rear. Some fender extensions.
The dish makes it look way better than a factory wheel.
Oh yeah, no, the dishes, it totally need it. And here's what it looks like. It actually looks really, really awesome. I think that, you know, if we get like a replica of these in the right offsets, I think I would be totally in for this style. Looks really nice. I mean, this is a little bit larger. We'd do a 19 and do the factory size wheel. That way we don't run into anything there. Like from the front, you can see that it's really sticking out, which sucks. I'm a little disappointed on that, but gotta be honest, I think it looks great. But we can't do it, so that sucks. It was a good idea, but shit. So we're about to see if the new Corvette can hold all of this. This is a lot. This is $300 worth of groceries in that. Let's see. Survey says yes! Yes, it can fit $300 worth of groceries. Oh my gosh. So truth be told, Ow! Oh my God, that hurt! Oh my God! Oh, truth be told, oh, that really hurt. What was this? I had to use the front trunk as well. So, the back couldn't handle all 300, but I was able to get it all and nothing in the cabin. But that's pretty cool. Okay, so here we go.
It's like a lot of GMOs.
Uh-huh. Hey, check this out. Come on up here. There's more.
Where's all the organic stuff I told you to buy? You have so much soap left. You
No, I don't.
Soap? Oh, yeah, you do.
No, I don't. I
Yeah,
couldn't
it's
find
all
it.
hiding.
It's hiding.
It's all, there's like 6
Well,
bars
now I'm
in it.
prepared for the
There's like-
apocalypse,
there's
which
like-
we're in.
Okay, let's go. What?
Okay, one of those Tecatis I crushed because I put $300 worth of groceries on it, so I have to eat that tonight. Just wanted you to know. What do you think of the shopping escapade? You gave me this very small list, and I didn't get most of it.
It's definitely not stuff I would have bought for some of it. But
Yeah.
I
I got the bananas, I got some ham, I got white eggs, no, in a coloring kit, and then it just went to heck. Oh boy. Man.
Orange.
Yeah, it is. There's more to go. Jeez.
Weird tape.
Yeah, those look pretty.
Pretty clean on me. That's a dish. They're only gonna stay like that if you coat them.
Yeah. Here, turn it around.
Oh, I thought that was Corvette, man. I'm gonna freak out.
Oh, dang.
It's just tire. 305, 35, 18. 26.
Dang. These are for my C8. Holy shit, we're going to have to get this on like right now. I can't wait to see what it looks like. And hook up. Okay, and then we got the front wheel coming up here.
Like you're going around.
Jeez. These are the most expensive wheels I've ever bought. And they're used.
You've only bought like race cars, right?
Yeah.
Even then he was skeptical.
Yeah.
Man, I don't know if this is worth it. It's like, holy Christ, I hung. This is going on my power kill.
Dang! Dang, those are pretty.
I wish regular Weld wheels would have that black finish on the inside. Yeah.
Man, we're going to have to put these shoes on and see how they look and hook.
You got yourself a fresh set of New Balances right here.
Indeed, indeed. Get rid of these things. Let's see how much this bad boy weighs. We got our handy dandy scale here. And pounds. Okay, we're in pounds. Go ahead, let's see how much it weighs. $53 pounds. Let's see how much the Welds weigh. Oh boy. Oh man. $35. Come back, baby, come back. Okay, zeroed out.
It's like 63.
You think it's 63?
Yeah, it's definitely. Maybe
Okay.
like 65.
65. Oh man, you're getting a range. You're not allowed to have a range. You got to be exact.
63.
63. Here we go. Moment of truth. Going with your first. Oh, you don't know your own strength. It's coming in 69. And the Weld wheels coming in 55, it looks like. So we're going to shed basically 15 pounds up front and in the rear.
front's 18.
Oh, 18. Oh, man. Losing 60 pounds off of this car. 66 pounds. Weight reduction. So we're going to tape the caliber up. Since we haven't tested these wheels, and Carlisle hasn't tested these wheels on the Z51 calibers, just to make sure they fit and don't mess up my caliber. Okay, we're going to find out now if this thing fits or not. I think these are 18s.
Yeah.
Looks like there's plenty of clearance.
Yeah, there is.
Sweet. Here's a lug. Yes, just leave the tape. I want
leave the tape on.
I want my blue calibers.
Like a baby blue.
Yeah. Really sets the car off.
Whatever.
Now we can get, the tape off. I just want to get it on, rotate it a little bit, make sure that it's not like banging shit. Okay, and then torque them to 140.
Put it on the ground.
You can do it right there. The parking brake's on. It's not going anywhere. So the only thing I'm noticing is the lower control arm here is like 1/8 of an inch away. Maybe less than 1/8 of an inch. She is definitely on the close side. We'll pay attention to that as we lower her down. I don't think it's going to hit when the suspension, gets loaded up, because it'll aim this a little differently, and I think it'll be roughly the same distance. We'll see. Oh man. Oh man. It's killing me. All right.
What's that?
I hope nothing bad.
It's fine. It's just rubbing everything.
Do I still have my blue caliber, or you take that off?
Took it off.
Oh.
That tape was junk. It's like extra wide.
I wanted my blue calibers. So how does it look? I usually don't like Welds, but I think I actually like the look of it. It's kind of mean on this. I didn't do the front because, well, I just don't really care to do the front right now because I'm going to drive it on the street a little bit. And I don't like skinnies on the street. Okay, we're going to see if we can go 0 to 60 in 2 point some seconds. Okay. Reset. Jeez. And it didn't fucking work. Accelerate to start. It didn't work. Okay, so I did get it on the PDR. 0 to 60 in 2.94 seconds. Not bad. We also have Eric's car that we're putting wheels on. He's got BC Forged wheels. We are now a dealer for BC Forged. We're going to be putting these guys on his car. Check this out. This is a little, I don't know, paint shop. It's not even Photoshop. It's just like bad. But I think they're going to look pretty good. And they're going to have a better offset than the factory wheels. It's really exciting. And in upcoming videos, we're finally going to reveal the race between my C8 and Alex's twin-turbo Mustang 5.0. It's a bit mismatched because he makes like double the horsepower, but we're going to see how we do from a dig and how quick that car actually is. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Adios!